Hey everyone, quick update for Thursday, December 5th. Taking a look at a 5-minute chart of SPX. At first glance, you would look at this and think, wow, that's some pretty wild price action, right? Big flush here. But the reality is, because of just the low volatility, that was actually only about a 12-point move down. So, zooming out and looking at a daily chart, I mean, look at the range for today. It was pretty small, just like it's been the last all week. Taking a look at the expected move for the day. At the end of the day, we did get close to the lower expected move, which is this dotted yellow line. But really, all week we've stayed well within the expected move for the daily range. So the ranges just continue to stay very, very tiny. We did hit a new all-time high in SPX today, 6094.55. Bitcoin also hit a new all-time high. The spot Bitcoin got over 100,000 for the first time overnight. The futures got up to 105,000 before selling off. So that Bitcoin finally got its 100,000. Quick recap of one of my trades today. So I had my Magic Mahomes was a winner. My BICs were a winner. My price action BICs were a winner. I transformed a 1 DTE to remove all the risk and for potential profits tomorrow. And then I did one other trade I wanted to share that is not really part of my normal repertoire. And what I did is, looking at SPX, I was looking for pockets of consolidation to potentially sell some premium. So going back to the 5-minute chart, we had this little period here right above the blue line, which is yesterday's high. It started to chop around. So I was looking to sell some 0 DTE premium, but the premiums were just so low. I just did not like the risk reward. So I ended up going to a 1 DTE, and I was looking at iron condors and ended up settling on this basically a broken wing iron fly. So price was centered right here when I entered. And my goal was, okay, if I can book some profits, if I can get some premium decay, I'll just book profits. If it moves to one of these break-even areas on either side, which is a 20-point range in either direction, so a pretty decent range based on the range that we've had, it never came close. Although the end of the day, it started to. But so I was holding it. I ended up scaling out of, I did 10 contracts, scaled out a half, and then closed the other half when we got this little bounce. So I got in for 22.25 on the 10 contracts, scaled out of 5 at 21.50 and 5 at 21.30. So ended up booking 850. So decent little trade just for a 1 DTE getting in around midday. And again, kind of the takeaway is there was no premiums left for 0 DTE. So I just moved over to a 1 DTE, was able to withstand even during this, 12-point flush. The trade never went red at that point. It was still a little bit green. Then it chopped around, got some premium decay. And when I got that little bounce, got out of the rest of it. So decent little trade, decent little day overall with all my different trades. So look forward to Friday. We've got the jobs report pre-market tomorrow, and then we'll see what happens tomorrow. So hope you have a good day of trading. Talk to you soon.